Hey Beauty Boss, congratulations on starting your own Avon business. I am Emily Seagren and I am so excited that you joined us. A little bit about myself. I started selling Avon 11 years ago, hard to believe. I live in Rockford, Illinois with my husband, Rob, who's an electrical engineer. My children, Josh and Ava, who are 12 and 8. And then I have a little 4-pound multi-poo. Her name is Izzy, and I'm sure you'll see her and hear her barking in a lot of my videos. I absolutely love that I get to work from home, build the Avon business around my family, and not vice versa. So it has been such a great decision for me as a young mom. Now, I've built the business in a non-traditional manner, and it's really kind of exploded, and it's exciting. I have a licensed Avon store. I blog and share on social media. Maybe you found me online. Team Momentum is about 1,600 representatives strong all throughout the country, so don't worry. I do a lot of training and videos and helpful tips to really get your business going. So just because we're not neighbors doesn't mean that I can't support you and help you build a successful business. Now, Team Momentum sold $3 million worth of Avon last year. We are one of the top teams in the nation, and we are one of the fastest growing teams. So that's also exciting. And I'm here to support you in how you want to build the business. Sometimes it's easier to get a customer base going traditionally by handing out brochures and sharing about your Avon business out in your community. But I love to stress to always be taking advantage of all the opportunities Avon gives us. So that would mean face-to-face and online and team building. But I'm here to support you in the way you want to build, okay? So as a brand new representative, I'm just gonna focus on 3 things. The first is to register on your Avon. So if you haven't done that yet, it's being rebranded to Avon now, but you can come down here and register. In your welcome email, you should have your district number, your account number, and then the last 4 of your social security number. If you did not enter your social security number when you signed up, you'll want to put 4 zeros in there. Okay, so I'm gonna take you in. And the second thing that I want you to do is to look where Avon U training is right up here. Now that is where I want you to spend the majority of your time as a new representative. I can't stress enough how important it is to do your homework and to learn and soak in all of the knowledge in the beginning so that you have the tools to get out there and really get off to a successful start. So definitely check out Avon U. And then you're also gonna wanna set up your website. That is key. That's gonna be your store that's open 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. And you should be able to do that under my office and checking out your web office, okay? So there it is. You can come and click online quick setup And that's it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so register, set up your website, and visit Avon U. And you'll be hearing from me a lot. And I'm so excited that you chose Avon. Make the most of that free gift that you picked out when you signed up. And start sharing, because nothing is going to bring in sales more than your excitement about the product and about opening your Avon business. All right, guys, for now, I'll see you later. Bye.